I keep coming across all these articles about the housing market, prices, price reductions, and I have clients that are signing new leases after they signed leases last year. So if you're looking to decide if you should sign a new lease or wait to buy for prices and rates to come down, this is the video for you. We're going to talk about that in a mathematical equation today. And we're going to talk about what it means for your pocket. And I'm going to pull data from Zillow, Redfin, and Case-Shiller, the S&P reports. Hey everybody, Ray Williams from the Mortgage Maestro Group. And like I said, I've had clients making these big life decisions. So my main goal here today is to educate you so that you can decide what's right for you. Look, my channel's small. I'm not here for your monetization as some of the YouTube bros are. So you gotta watch those articles, because what I'm gonna do is just kind of go through data and talk about it. I did a video, I think it was 10 years ago, of an article from Zillow on should you wait to put 5% down or should you buy when you have 20% down? And that data was blown out of the water by what has happened to the housing market. But what we're gonna get into right now is more of just education on should you wait for rates and prices to come down. So let's dive in. What we're gonna talk about is just a 2-year window, 2024, let's call it 2026, whatever that is, 25 to 27, 24-month window, okay? I'm gonna utilize the 3% price change off of Zillow's report here that's showing that appreciation is decelerating. When you read these articles online, Yahoo Finance, Market Watch, wherever you're reading them, watch for the language, because they're talking about deceleration of appreciation. They're not talking about values becoming negative. From there, they also are talking about home prices coming down. Well, let's talk about that, and I'll show you some information, as you can see here from Redfin, as to what's going on in Denver right now. Look at the line across the bottom over the last 4 years, from list price to sales price, and where it's hovering right around 100%. So is list price to sales price coming down? Now Redfin shows it down 0.8%. So call it what you will, but Redfin also shows homes in Denver are selling at an average of 15 days. But those that are hot, what is hot? Priced right, show well, they're selling in 4 days. So the articles about home prices coming down, be mindful about that, because it depends on where they were priced to begin with. Let's get into the numbers, okay? So if you bought right now in Denver, $600,000 property using a 6.25 rate, principal and interest, as you can see, $3,510. So why does this matter? Because I said I'm gonna use a 24-month window. So if you decided to keep renting, sign another lease, before you know it, 2 years goes by, I will also layer in a 1% decrease in rate. So yes, from 6.25 to 5.25. And what does that mean? Well, the $600,000 home now costs $636,000. Your down payment only goes up, as you can see, not that much, around $1,800. So not that much more you need to save in the next couple of years. 5.25, the principal and interest, $33.36. What does this mean for your pocket? $175 a month is what you save in your payment by waiting it out, but you just paid $636,000 for the house. So that seller gained the $36,000 of appreciation that you would have. And in the 24 months, you would have paid $13,000 to principal, as you can see here. So in essence, that's $49,000. Now, yes, there are other aspects to this, such as if your money's in the market for 24 months, what does that mean for you? Yeah, you got to decide there. But I've also included some links here as to what's going on in the market as it relates to Case-Shillers with S&P, and they have data out that's showing that from 22, 3, and year-to-date 2024, so call it the first half of 2024, home prices 22, 6% up, 23, 6% up, and year-to-date 4% up. So as you can see this chart here, home prices continue to go up. Does this mean you should buy or you should wait? That's for you to decide. This is one of life's biggest decisions. You can see the financial implications, as I talked about, as it relates to lost equity appreciation, lost principal pay down. You got to decide what's right for you, but be careful of what you're listening to out there. Comment below on articles that you found of interest about the housing market, dispelling my numbers, questions, comments, good, bad, or indifferent. I hope this helps you out. Make sure to watch another important video that I have for you here as we continue to educate you on building wealth through real estate. Thanks so much.